Globally, elderly population constitutes 11% of population. Recently, there has been a significant rise in need for elderly care. The technology sector has been contributing to this by developing assistive devices, hardware, and software to provide better experiences to elderly. As people age, bone density decreases and muscles become weak. Arthritis is a very common problem, aggravated more by continuous loads at joints during movements. Inability to bear loads, lack of control, and inability to perform most routine activities independently has an effect on physical and mental health. One such action is of sitting and standing from chair.
मैं ऐसी दुखी हो जाऊं, उठते बैठते भी डर लग गए है, ना उठा जाता ना बैठा जाता, और बहुत सोचे न डर लगा कदे पड़ गया, यार दुखी हो जाऊं उठती बैठती.
A large number of older individuals have issues related to muscles, issues related to joints, issues related to weakness of what we call the limb girdle muscles itself, which makes it difficult for an older person to get up from a sitting position. So if you actually notice an older person standing up, very often they try and heave themselves out of a chair like this, right? And very often when they heave, they may end up falling ahead or falling backwards. And in designing a chair, we require a chair that is stable, which ensures that this older person is able to get up more easily from the sitting position and safely stand, avoiding the result of a particular fall, which can be quite disastrous, as well as could result in ensuring that an older person becomes bedridden.
To verify this, we did few tests on people to quantify how much muscle activation takes place. High force on knee and thigh muscles causing muscle pain and knee pain was observed. The EMG activation while stand to sit and sit to stand cycle was very high in all users. After understanding the motion and behavior of people around the chair and after consulting with geriatricians, we developed the standardized assistive chair. The mechanism is made up of thin open section shells which twist and bend simultaneously to give non-linear torque profiles. This simultaneous twisting and bending helps us to generate multiple torque curves which can be customized according to people. The amount of bending and thus the torque depends upon the cam fitted into the chair. The cam profile can be customized for every person and it is different for stand to sit and sit to stand cycle. The compliant hinge mechanism generates non-linear torque profiles. The inherent design of compliant mechanism allows us to generate different non-linear torque profiles for sit to stand and stand to sit actions, as the nature of the force is significantly different for both the actions. The compliant hinge mechanism is an all-mechanical design which is robust and requires no power. The design is bearingless and requires very low maintenance. We have a cam shifting mechanism that automatically engages the right cam required for the action. The cam profiles on which the bearings roll determine the amount of bending and thus the nature of torque profile generated. For stand to sit, sitting cam is engaged, and for sit to stand, standing cam profile is engaged. The torque output can be customized according to user's weight and requirements. For any required person, cam can be changed in the chair to get required torque output. For example, consider 3 different people in 3 different weight categories. For every single person, we can have 3 different cams. And every cam can generate 3 different torque profile as per the comfort level of the person. During prototype development phase, we have done user testing and taken into consideration user feedback to develop the chair.
Geriatrics for many years now. So I know that I would like to have an easy chair designed for the elderly, not just the sick elderly. So we are primarily designing an easy chair which is largely going to be a multi-purpose chair. It's going to be person friendly. it's going to be largely easily maneuverable. And then it's going to be helpful not only to older people who are recovering from an illness, they are the first group. Also, there's a category called frail elderly, who need a lot of support for their daily living. Objective of designing this easy chair is, one, it's going to take care of patient comfort, it's going to retain and provide a lot of independent activity on the easy chair.
We employed EMG sensors to quantify assistance provided by the chair by measuring muscle effort. Standard-is assistive chair is designed to provide resistance when a person sits on the chair to provide a controlled motion, thus protecting knees and hips. While standing, the chair assists the person by providing a desired push. Other assistive chairs available in the market are either active chairs requiring power or generate only linear or non-linear torque profiles, causing continuous pushing force while person is sitting. Whereas the compliant hinge mechanism's inherent bistability reduces pushing force while sitting, thus providing great comfort to the person while using standard-is assistive chair. To take this chair to the market, we require your help. We wish to use this money in building few prototypes, for which we need to invest in research and development and human resources. In order to streamline manufacturing of every single part that goes into the chair, we want to contact vendors and do more user testing with geriatric patients. Currently, we are focused on developing prototypes considering engineering design and industrial design aspect. We want to streamline manufacturing, and hence we are looking for vendors who can help us in manufacturing the chair. Later, we will be proceeding with user testing and taking their feedback in order to develop the chair further before bringing it into the market.